Welcome to our guide on efficient irrigation for low water use landscapes. Today, I'll teach you about some simple drip irrigation tips to keep your garden lush and avoid a water bill nightmare. As a bonus, you'll also never have to yell, "Stay off my grass," again, because, well, there won't be any grass. A well-maintained drip system is the key to a thriving, water-efficient garden. That's why periodic inspections are crucial. Look for leaks, clogs, or damaged components, especially at the beginning and end of each watering season. Pools of water are signs of trouble. We want to avoid backyard swamps and dead plants, so pools of water may indicate a problem with your emitters. Clogged filters can turn your efficient drip system into a sad trickle. At the start of the watering season, or anytime your plants start looking thirsty despite your best efforts, check the filters. Just unscrew the drip filter and clear the mesh screen of dirt and debris. Think of it as giving your irrigation system a spa day. If your system's water flow is slowed down, debris may be to blame. Locate the flush valves, which might be hiding in a small valve box or under mulch, like tiny irrigation treasure chests. Open the manual flush valve and let the system run for a short time. It's like hitting the reset button for your drip irrigation. Need to repair a section of tubing? Grab some pruning shears to tackle this task. Those dull craft scissors in the junk drawer won't do the job right. Cut the damaged tubing, insert a coupling, and push both ends onto the fitting. Give it a little wiggle to make sure everything's snug. Kind of like squeezing into your jeans after the holidays. Tight, but not too tight. Watering needs change with the weather. Plants want more frequent watering in hot, dry months and less during cooler, wetter seasons. And not all plants are the same. Trees, succulents, and flowers have different hydration needs. Try to group plants with similar water requirements in the same irrigation zone. It's like seating guests at a wedding. Put the ones who get along together for the best outcome. Many modern irrigation controllers can be adjusted through an app on your phone, meaning you can tweak your watering schedule while lounging in your lawn chair. It's the 21st century, and even your sprinklers are getting smarter, making your life easier. Irrigation valves are like the gatekeepers of your system. If they fail, so does your whole operation. Check them regularly for signs of wear, leaks, or debris buildup. You should clean them out seasonally, or if you notice a drop in water pressure. If your valve refuses to turn on from the controller, the solenoid, the electrical component that operates the valve, might be having an existential crisis. To troubleshoot it, check out West Basin's Landscape Maintenance Guide online. Turn on each zone using your controller and make sure the valves open and close properly. If your system allows it, adjusting the flow control can help ensure the valve shuts off completely. By following these simple steps, you'll maintain an efficient drip irrigation system that conserves water and keeps your garden thriving without breaking the bank or your back. For more tips and troubleshooting, visit westbasin.org/landscape-maintenance. And happy gardening! Your plants will thank you, even if they don't say it out loud.